Most people budget the wrong thing because they watch small prices and ignore big leaks. A lot of people feel proud after skipping a $10 treat. Then they renew a yearly car insurance policy without asking one question. If your bill is $1,200 and another company offers the same coverage for $980, that 5-minute call saves $220 at once. That is more than cutting tiny comforts for weeks. The deeper lesson is not just save money where it is bigger. It is that companies often charge extra for your silence, not for better service. When you stop acting loyal by default and start comparing prices before renewals, you train yourself to protect money at the point where it leaves fastest. This week, renegotiate one fixed bill